Once upon a time, there was a big bad wolf, and he liked to eat minions. And he came upon a straw house, and he said, little minion, let me in.
My chin. That'll huff, that'll puff, that'll blow your house down.
Ah! Maggie put him in the woodhouse.
Yeah, throw him in there.
So the little minion ran to his brother's house, and his house was made of sticks. Right, look out. So the wolf chased after them.
That was so tiring, but I still like to eat pigs, and I'm still after these minions.
And he said, little minion, let me in. And the minion brothers said,
Not by my hair of my chinny chin. So a huff, then a puff, they'll blow your house down.
ah! So the minion brothers ran to the third brother's house, which was made of brick. And the wolf was very tired.
And he took a nap. And then he was back up. And then he let me in on my in my chin.
And the minion said,
Not by my hair. I want to touch it in my hair chin.
Then the wolf said, well then I'll huff and